Today, we're going to show you how to replace a Honda Civic Key Fob battery. All you're going to do is go on the back here and slide this lever over to remove the emergency key. And then you see there's this little slot here between these two pieces. You can use your key to pry if you need to in an emergency, but I like to use a screwdriver if I can. You're going to put that screwdriver in between there and you're just going to pry against those two pieces until this pops off. So we're going to take this and pry. There we go. We've got it now. And we're just going to then remove the battery inside. It uses a CR2032 battery. I like to go in from the top on these, and then you put your little screwdriver there, or you can put the edge of the key there to pry that up. If you need a replacement battery, we've got links to those below, so check that out. That does help support the channel. We're going to take our CR2032 battery. You see that light up, meaning that it is ready to go. And then we're going to take the cover and we're just going to snap it back in place onto the Honda Civic Key Fob battery. Make sure it's snapped all the way around, and we are now good to go. We're going to take our emergency key and we're going to slide that back in place here, and our Honda Civic Key Fob battery has been replaced. Please give us that thumbs up or subscribe if this was helpful, and you can click on the links below if you want to support us.